Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Licia and this is the A.D.D planner. So this week in my happy planner, I took you guys on a little pre-plan video, and that is where I did a collab with Rochelle here on YouTube. So this is kind of like a second part of how I decorate my planner after my pre-planning session. So if you guys want to check out that video, the link is in the description box below. And I would love to have you back here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I didn't want to make this video super long, so I'm doing a speedy plan with me. As you can see, this is the week prior to the first week of spring. However, I totally fudged on the first video that I had filmed, and I'm gonna go ahead and try again using the previous week. All the stickers that I used are going to be in the description box below. First things first, my top box equals priorities. My eyes totally gravitate towards these gold foiled bows. I would like to say they help me get most of my work done, but that's reaching. And then these cute little chores icon, just a little reminder of what I have to do. These brain dump stickers are genius. Therefore, when I get distracted, I could just list down the distraction and cross it off later and finish doing what I need to get done first. And spring has sprung, y'all. So I'm using this cute little girl and this awesome quote just to top off this week. I have a feeling some inspirational quotes will be needed. And yay for Social Saturdays. It'll be coming again this Saturday, the 24th. And I am doing a special collab with Michelle. And this one is about budgeting, single parent edition. Make sure you guys comment with any questions regarding budgeting single parent style, and we will answer them in the next video. So I hope you guys liked everything. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, really quick, I just wanted to hop on and say, first of all, thank you for watching my plan with me. And then second, I went to Hobby Lobby today and I picked up these 3 books from me and my big ideas. They were $4.99 a pack, and then I'm going to just take you guys through real quick if you want to see that. So I'll start with this one. I don't know the exact names of what they're called, but little cameras right here, and they're all mini size, as you can tell. This is the Happy Planner Classic Planner. And then just some cute little quotes right here. Some purses, memory coffee, some heart like little checklist. And the sticker says love, lipstick, happy, friend. This is cute. Friends don't let friends do silly things alone. Soul sister because of you. Distance means so little when someone means so much. That's cute. I like these hearts too. Then we have some sunglasses, adventure. Ooh, hello friend. I like this font right here. Super cute. Selfie, adorbs, making memories. And the next one, which I feel like this is like a spring type of sticker book that you guys would want to pick up. Mostly all the florals in here, which is why I ended up getting it. And I love these little stickers. If this book could just like stay open, that would be awesome. So we have some florals in here. I could have used these in my plan with me today. Alas. I did my plan with me earlier in the morning, and then I came home, or after work I went to Hobby Lobby and got this. But man, I wish I had seen this. I wish I had waited now. These are really cute. This would be really cute for like headers and then like checklists for the spring. And then last but not least, love Yo Selfie. So cactus, some rainbows, flamingos. It's really cute. Sorry guys, this book is just like determined. Then we have some little Glam Girl stickers with lipstick, eyelashes. Then we have, oh, unicorns. I'm like, what is that? I'm looking at it upside down. Donuts. Oh, this cute little backpack. Little beach bag. Some more flowers. Camera? Is that a camera? Yeah. Okay, and that's it. But thank you guys for watching. They do have more of these at Hobby Lobby. Go check it out, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.